Got my Weapon R intake in. Time to unbox it. See what this thing is like crazy taped up. Alright. Ooh-wee. Let's put this down. Put this in my pocket. Here's the necessary tubing that we're going to need. Put that right there. Look at that air filter. Damn. Ooh-wee.
That's pretty.
That right there. What else we got up in here? Yep. Also got piping. Open. Look at that. Perfect sensor. This is where that tube goes on to. Oh yeah. We got directions, photo directions. Yep. Also a written direction. We just got this to separate it. Oh, a little pamphlet for Weapon R. Whoa, jump. Oh, we got some stickers. Ooh.
There's another one. Oh, wait, no.
Yeah.
No, never mind.
Alright, we got some nice Weapon R stickers. That's going on the Monte. And oh, here's all the tubing, all the rubber tubing. Here's a clamp. Got some more tubing. Another one piece. Got some more clamps. Man, this stuff is like really good quality too, man. It's insane. Also got a bracket. Another clamp. We also got this foam air filter cleaning solution. It's gonna really come in handy later down the line. And this.
What the hell is that?
That's pretty much it for everything needed. And that's all that comes in it. And, you know, I really like this filter. This air filter looks magnificent, beautiful. Doesn't feel cheap, you know? Not bad. Well, that's been the unbox of the Weapon R short ram intake. I hope you enjoyed.